Did you know that an average American wastes approximately $18,000 each year due to lack of budgeting? That's right, $18,000 down the drain. It's a staggering amount, isn't it? But unfortunately, it's the harsh reality for many. Poor budgeting, or worse, the absence of it, can lead to this significant financial drain. This money drain isn't selective. It can happen to anyone, regardless of income level. The culprit? Unplanned expenses, impulsive buying, not keeping track of expenditures, and the list goes on. But the good news is, it's never too late to start budgeting and reverse this money drain. That's precisely why we've crafted this video. We're here to provide you with clever budgeting tricks and tips that can help you save that $18,000 a year, or even more. Imagine what you could do with an extra $18,000 a year. Stick around and we'll show you how to keep that money in your pocket. Before we dive into the tricks and hacks, let's understand the basics of budgeting. Now, what exactly is a budget? Picture it as a roadmap for your money. It's a financial plan that helps you allocate your income towards your expenses, savings, and debts. It's a tool that allows you to foresee your money's journey, making sure it's heading in a direction that aligns with your financial goals. Why is budgeting important, you might ask? Well, without a budget, it's like sailing a ship without a compass. You might end up lost in a sea of expenses, debts, and financial anxiety. Budgeting helps you navigate through the rough waters of financial decision-making. It equips you with the foresight to avoid unnecessary spending and the insight to identify areas where you can save more. Now let's talk about the basic principles of effective budgeting. Firstly, know your income. It's essential to have a clear understanding of how much money you have coming in each month. This includes your salary, any side hustles, and other forms of income. Secondly, track your expenses. This involves keeping a close eye on where your money is going. From bills and groceries to spontaneous coffee runs, every penny counts. Thirdly, prioritize your spending. This means differentiating between your needs and wants. Your needs, such as rent and groceries, should always come first. Wants, like that new pair of shoes or the latest gadget, can wait. Lastly, always save and invest. A portion of your income should always go towards your savings or investments. This way, you're not just spending money, but you're also growing it. And remember, no two budgets are the same. Your budget should be tailored to your income, expenses, and financial goals. It's a personal financial plan that should evolve as your financial situation changes. Now that we've got the basics down, it's time to learn some clever budgeting tricks. Our first budgeting trick is the 50-30-20 rule. This rule, coined by Elizabeth Warren, a U.S. senator and personal finance expert, is a simple yet effective way to manage your finances and start saving. So what is the 50-30-20 rule? It's a budgeting technique that divides your after-tax income into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings. Here's how it works. 50% of your income should go towards needs. These are the things you absolutely cannot do without, like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and healthcare. If it's crucial for survival, it falls under this category. Next, 30% of your income should be allocated for wants. These are the non-essentials, the fun stuff. Eating out, movie tickets, that new pair of shoes you've been eyeing, they all fall under this category. This part of your budget allows you to enjoy your money, but within a limit. The remaining 20% of your income should go straight into savings or paying off debt. This is your financial safety net, your ticket to financial freedom. Now, implementing the 50-30-20 rule might seem daunting at first, but don't worry. Just start by tracking your expenses, categorizing them into needs, wants, and savings. Gradually, you'll gain control over your finances and be able to adjust your spending habits accordingly. By following the 50-30-20 rule, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. So give it a try and let the magic of this budgeting trick work wonders on your finances. The next budgeting trick we have for you is the envelope system. A classic, yet ever so effective. The envelope system is all about allocating funds to specific categories of your spending. Picture this. You have various envelopes, each labeled with a different category like rent, groceries, entertainment, and so on. At the start of each month, you fill these envelopes with the amount of money you've budgeted for that category. The beauty of this system is in its simplicity. It provides a clear, tangible perspective on your spending habits. You can physically see where your money is going, and when an envelope is empty, that's it. No overspending. This forces you to be mindful of your spending and helps you avoid unnecessary expenses. But the envelope system isn't just about restriction, it's also about empowerment. It gives you control over your money. You decide where each dollar goes and how it's spent. It's a proactive approach to managing your finances, and it can be incredibly empowering. The key to effectively using the envelope system is consistency. Stick to your budget. If you've used up your entertainment envelope, resist the urge to dip into the groceries one. It might be tough at first, but with time, you'll develop better spending habits. The envelope system is a powerful tool for controlling your spending. Give it a try and see the difference it can make. Our third budgeting trick is all about automation. Let's delve into the world of automatic savings. Picture this. You're a busy bee constantly on the move and juggling a multitude of tasks each day. Amidst all this, it's quite easy to overlook or procrastinate on setting some money aside for savings. That's where automation comes in, swooping down like a superhero to save your day and your bank account. Automatic savings is your personal financial butler. It's a system that automatically transfers a specific amount from your checking account to your savings account at set intervals, say, after every paycheck. Now, why is this a trick worth keeping up your sleeve? Well, it's simple. First, it takes the burden of remembering to save off your shoulders. Second, it ensures that money is consistently flowing into your savings, steadily building up your nest egg. Setting up automatic savings is a breeze. Most banks offer this feature with their online services. All you need to do is decide on the amount and the frequency of the transfers. Once set, it operates in the background, quietly doing its job while you focus on other important things. Think of this as a digital piggy bank that's always hungry for more. And the best part is, you won't even feel the pinch since it's a small amount squirreled away regularly. Automating your savings takes the guesswork out of budgeting and ensures you're always saving money. So, there you have it, 3 powerful budgeting tricks that can save you thousands of dollars each year. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered today and why these tools are so important for you to implement. First, we discussed the 50-30-20 rule. This is a simple yet effective way to divide your income. 50% goes to your needs, 30% to your wants, and 20% to your savings or debt reduction. This rule provides a clear and straightforward path to managing your money more effectively. Next, we moved on to the envelope system, a tried and true method of budgeting that dates back to our grandparents' time. By allocating cash to different envelopes for different spending categories, you create a tangible and visual way to monitor your spending. When the cash in an envelope runs out, that's it. No more spending in that category for the month. It's a foolproof way to keep your spending in check. And finally, we talked about automating your savings. In our digital age, it's easier than ever to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. This out-of-sight, out-of-mind approach can help you build wealth without even thinking about it. And the best part, you can start small and gradually increase the amount you save each month. These 3 budgeting tricks are more than just ways to save money. They're about creating a mindset, a way of life that prioritizes your financial health. They give you the power to take control of your money instead of letting it control you. But as with any new habit, the key to success is consistency. Start with one of these methods, stick to it for a few months, and then add in the others one by one. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can transform your financial situation. And remember, it's never too late to start. Whether you're a fresh graduate starting your first job or a seasoned professional looking to make your money work harder, these budgeting tricks can work for you. Remember, budgeting is about more than just saving money. It's about taking control of your financial future. So start budgeting today and watch your savings grow. If you want more financial wisdom, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.